settle, I'll climb your canopy to make it rain from time to time. Tell me things I don't wanna know. Say everything's fine, everything.
So I'm running at Randall Island, I guess is what it's called. It's pretty cool. It's actually really cool. One of the more scenic runs I've done. Like, I don't know what bridge that is, but it's a really cool bridge. Don't really know how people who live here can run in the city. I feel like it's such a headache unless you get like a string of walk signs. I feel like it's such a headache. So last night I was just looking around to see what like would be a good non-stop run, and this is what I stumbled upon. It's super pretty, right on the river, and you can see like Manhattan. I don't know, really cool. Now the plan is to make it back to my apartment, or Sean's apartment, and then start work. But yeah.
Where you find me, running overtime, it got cold as ice. Same overdose who put a hole inside me. Highs and lows, catapult, never leave your sights. Farmer knows, I'll try, I could.
So I got some peaches, watermelon slices. Just got back to Sean's. Yeah. Day lists on playlist on Spotify are so good. That's all I listen to on my run. Absolute heat. But yeah, now I need to shower and get my work day started because it's 10:30. So 9:30 in Austin, but it's super late. But that's alright. Watermelon might be the best summer fruit. Like a good, juicy watermelon on a hot summer day. Oof. So good. It's lunchtime. I got birria tacos from food truck, like super close to Sean's apartment, because it was right there. So we'll see how it tastes. Never had it before, but. Smell that, Arthur? I ended up not hanging out with anyone after work. After work, I just continued planning my Banff trip that I'm taking with some Houston friends and James. And it's gonna be fucking sick. And then yeah, that's basically all I did after work. And I got some diner food. I get the diner hype. Diners have like fucking everything. But yeah, I just got an omelet because basic. But yeah, just the run this morning was super nice. I'd been in like a mental rut maybe. Just like not wanting to play frisbee or like not wanting to grind and all that stuff. I don't know. So I haven't like played it in a while. But that jog was good because it finally got me off my butt, and it's been I don't know how long since I've actually moved and ran around. So yeah, tomorrow don't know what I'm doing yet. Maybe Yankees game? Who knows? But yeah, that's it for today. So, peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up,